Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to add a header to your Google Doc. There's a few ways to do this. One of the quickest ways is to just double click the area where the header would normally be. If that's not working for you, another option would be to go to Insert and then scroll down to you get to Headers and Footers and then select Header. Now you can put whatever you want in the header field. There's a lot of options we can work with. You can do a page number. So I'm going to say page, and then I'm going to go to options, and I'm going to do page numbers. And I'm going to press apply because I don't want to change any of these defaults because they work for me. And now it says page 1. If I scroll down to my second page, it says page 2. If I were to delete the word page because I added that myself, it would just show the number 1 and it would just show the number 2. So you have some options to work with. Another cool feature is you can have a different first page. So I'm going to do a different first page, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to add an image. So I have a small image already prepared. I'm going to drag it in and I'm going to copy it here. It's just a little cue with a lightning bolt through it, but it's only going to appear on the first page. If I go down to the second page, it's going to show the page number 2 because we're on the second page. So there's some features you can work with. There's more options you can mess around with. But that's just the gist of getting a header added to your Google Doc. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in future quick videos.